Blue Diamond's Severe Duty Drum Mulcher is engineered for professional land clearing, forestry, and vegetation management. Designed for high-flow skid steers and compact track loaders, it's available in drum widths of 60, 70, and 79 inches to match the demands of your job. At the heart of the attachment is an innovative bite-control drum that maximizes cutting efficiency by maintaining a consistent bite into standing timber, heavy brush, and dense vegetation. Powered by a premium Danfoss 2-speed hydraulic motor with integrated hydraulic case overpressure protection, this mulcher delivers maximum performance while protecting critical hydraulic components. Compatible with both open and closed-loop hydraulic systems, it easily adapts to a wide range of host machines. Built for years of dependable service, the Severe Duty Drum Mulcher features a heavy-duty synchronous belt drive, oversized drum bearings, replaceable skid shoes, and a rugged frame constructed with 3/8 of an inch STRENX performance steel. An adjustable push bar helps feed standing material into the drum, while the rear chain curtain enhances operator protection during use. Choose the cutting system that's right for your application. 4-sided high-speed chipping teeth provide multiple cutting edges for extended service life, while optional single-sided carbide teeth deliver exceptional durability in the most demanding conditions. A low-profile tooth anvil with a secondary edge guard and a single bolt tooth fastening help maximize tooth life while making routine maintenance fast and simple. When a finer finish mulch is required, equip the mulcher with the optional front gate, available in manual or hydraulic configurations. The hydraulic gate is compatible with Blue Diamond's optional universal wiring harness for convenient in-cab operation. Requiring 35 to 52 GPM high-flow hydraulics with a K-strain and featuring a universal skid steer mount, the Blue Diamond Severe Duty Drum Mulcher delivers the performance, durability, and productivity that professionals demand. Blue Diamond Attachments. Built strong, attached for life.